Welcome to Pro Force Athletics. In this blog, we're going to be delivering a resource for coaches, athletes, and parents. Today we're going to discuss the Hip-Hinge, so we're going to get right into it. Discussing the Hip-Hinge, what we know from research and biomechanics is that it's the strongest and most powerful movement in the human body. Why do I address this? It's something I always teach to my athletes first before we even get into squatting. A lot of times I get athletes, they can be seniors in high school, terrible squatters, terrible. Their knees come in, where they come down and around their back. So we like to start with the hip hinge, just showing athletes how to hinge their hips. Whether they're playing running back, whether they're playing linebacker, or whether they're at receiver, or even in the batting stance. It's a common movement. So we work on these patterns. Like I said before, we're working on some box touches right now. So even when we're coming up, we'll hinge the hips, we're sitting on our heels, we're exploding back up to vertical hips, but we're always tight in terms of midline stabilization and bracing at the core. So one of our other drills, we'll do kettlebell touches. So you might not be able to see it, but before I go down, core is braced, glutes are activated, going down and coming up. Pro Force Athletics, working on the hip hinge. We'll discuss more of this in detail going into the future.